Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can auto-assign roles to a new user in Discord. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for discord.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, simply click on the server and then tap on the server name. Then simply select server settings. Inside here, all you have to do is simply tap on roles. Scroll below, then tap on create role. I'm gonna go ahead and simply name it to new role. And after that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on permissions and give permission it requires. Once done, tap on save changes. Now once you've done that, open a new tab and then inside here simply search for Carlbot, tap onto it and then tap on login with Discord. Sign in and then choose the server you want to set up and return to Discord and then return to your server. You should then see that the Carlbot has joined your server right over here. Now click on the server name again, then tap on server settings, go back to roles and scroll below. Here make sure Carlbot is on the very top. If it's not on the top, all you have to do is simply drag the Carlbot from the bottom to top. This is important because this code only allows bot to assign roles below their own positions. Now click on edit beside the Carlbot, go to permission, scroll below and enable manage channel. Scroll below again, enable manage role and then simply save the changes. Now go back to Carlbot website. Now inside here, all you have to do is simply scroll below, then tap on auto roles. Now choose the role you created earlier, tap onto it, then tap on save. Now you can test it. You can join the server with another account and ask a friend to join your server. As soon as a new member joins, Discord will automatically assign the selected roles. If you check the profile, you will see the role has been assigned. That's it. That is how you can simply auto-assign role to a new user in Discord using Carlbot. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.